Piraking Studio. It's really hot. Oh my god, it's hot. Has the air conditioner been repaired? Get the air conditioner repaired soon. Huh? Could this be the legendary angle? It won't be too. Let's install it. This air conditioner is badly damaged. But if I don't install it, everyone will be angry. Use a hose to make a hole in the waterproof bowl. Lock the screw in the proper place and install the bracket. This air conditioning window has been refurbished, and it is perfectly integrated with the wall. But that's not the point of today. Mount the spirit level on the holder and adjust the level. Lock the second screw so that the level is fixed. Confirm there is no neck joints to install other screws. The horizontal angle should be correct, or water may drip. Now this working program has to be very careful to avoid error. This air conditioner was removed from the air well, so there are some wires on it to remove. The junction box of the indoor unit is here. Usually you will see red, white and black wires plus a ground wire. After loosening the screws, it can be put up. Uncover the cable. I choose 3-core cable. This cable supplies indoor unit power and signal transmission. 3-core 5 square millimeter cable for the outdoor unit. Because the current is not big, I directly lock it and did not use crimp terminal. In fact, it would be better to use crimp terminal. Now fasten the cable. Close the cover. Pass the cable out. Check the voltage of the socket. Continue construction after the power is turned on. Make sure the power is off. Hey, where is the air conditioner? So this is the legendary cold-blooded machine gun. It turns out that I can also touch and bullet. The Pirate King already fixed the air conditioner. Yeah, it seems a little change. We installed a window air conditioner here not a long time ago. After removing the air conditioner, I sealed the window. Then the window and the wall become one. Next time I will share the method of sealing the window. Now go ahead and install the air conditioner.
拉出去。
Pass the cable first. Then pass through the refrigerant pipe. Because the hole here is relatively small, it is not easy to walk. Then install the indoor unit on the fixed seat. Today the outdoor unit will be installed on this base. Should the outdoor unit be placed on the ground? This floor standing mount was originally designed to be placed on the ground.
Oh.
I see. In fact, the installation of the split air conditioner each time is to observe its operation. It will be easier for maintenance and inspection later.
God, you still want to disassemble the air conditioner?
There are 2 seats of this bath. Install 2 screws for each seat. Then align the screw holes of the outdoor unit. Apply the same method to the other side. If the position is correct, install the nut and lock it. The little tree is growing very well. Where the waste heat from this air conditioner next hung them. After the bath is installed, they are not fixed because I think there will be problems to be dealt with next. Now look at the copper pipe. It's better to use the tubing wrench here. Because I don't have enough tools, I can only use a movable wrench now. Tightly lock the refrigerant pipe to the outdoor unit. Make sure it's locked here. Loosen the nut of the refrigerant working joint. We are ready to vacuum. We are going to use our 410 refrigerant. Therefore, whether it is moving or installing the machine, it is necessary to complete vacuum procedure. It is possible to use refrigerant to exhaust air here. The R410 system is not suitable. After the joint is locked, the vacuum is started. The current pressure is 1 atmosphere. Usually I vacuum for more than 15 minutes. Because the water vapor in the system can also be drawn out when vacuumed. Now the pressure is minus 1 atmosphere, which is close to a complete vacuum. Turn off the pressure gauge and turn off the vacuum pump. Check again after 30 minutes to see if the pressure has changed. The vacuum is good. Let's go to the next step. Open the outlet valve of the outdoor unit to release the refrigerant. Strange, why brands fly around every day? Now clamp the power code's clamp terminal. Pirate King, don't sigh. This is your destiny. I ask you, did you get first place in the exam before? No. Did you play with computer secretly when everyone was studying? Sometimes. So you are doing repairs here. Isn't it the result you should have? But Okay, don't say it anymore, just fix it. Before you know it, the power code is fixed. Now put the power code on. Pay attention here. N and L are power line. Connect the socket which is 3.0 cable. Here 1, 2, and 3 are power contacts and the signal transmission contacts respectively. These contacts must correspond to the indoor unit. Wait a minute. What will happen if someone gets wrong wires? I think it's a good option to replace the old one with a new one. So be very careful with this step. In addition, remember to send power remotely after installation. Remember this, unprofessional people live longer. It's the teacher who gets hurt. Pirate King, you are talking nonsense again. Oh no, I'm talking about the girl's move. No matter what you're doing, always think of yourself as 18 years old. Otherwise, you can ask the unprofessional photographer, how old is Miss? Every year is 18. Now install the drain. This is a 3/8-inch plastic tube that can be put on by backing it softly. Plug the other end into the drain pipe directly. Finally, wrap it up with tape. Another advantage of this connection method is that if it is blocked, we can use a homemade unblocking gun to unblock it.
We have air conditioning. I have air conditioner.
What's so happy about this? Turn on the power and keep people away. Press the stop button. Indoor unit works normally. The outdoor unit works fine. The operating current is 4 amps, which is equal to the rated current. There is also condensation in the condensation pipe, and the indoor unit is blowing cool wind. Try a few more tries and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Pirate King Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.